Do you want to decorate your wall within budget? Then you are in the right place. I am Ritu and you are watching Ritu's Creative Crafts. I have taken 5 thermocol plates, 1 compass, marker pen, acrylic colors, glue and jute rope. I have taken a thermocol plate and I am drawing 2 circles in it, one big and one small. I am gonna draw some figures using these 2 circles. It is very easy, you just have to follow the straight line technique. Now I am drawing the heads. Make sure that the heads are proportionate to the body. I am drawing legs and hands to complete the figures. It's time to make the border now. I am keeping it very simple. I am using just one color. It will look good with multicolored clothes also. Now I am using black acrylic color to draw the head, legs, hands and also for applying border. It will make the figure look prominent. I am also applying the same color in the border. I am using black acrylic color again for the borders. You can see the difference now. It is looking far more prominent. It's ready. I have drawn similar patterns on another plate. I am covering the whole plate with yellow acrylic color. After drying, it will look like this. I am drawing a figure with marker pen. You can use pencil also. I will fill this figure with black acrylic color. As the background is yellow, black will look very pretty here. I am drawing a very simple pattern for border. So it's ready and I have decorated this plate in the similar way. I want this plate to look like an art plate. So I have also mixed red and black acrylic colors. So it will look like this after drying. I have made an outline with pencil and using marker for correction. I have taken some jute rope. After applying glue, I will paste the jute rope on it. I have cut some small pieces too. It is actually easier to paste them. I have taken a small piece of jute and giving it a petal-like shape. It's ready. I have made total 5 plates and I am using double-sided tape to secure them on the wall.